Under Hong Kong immigration policy, if you're married, life is pretty much plain sailing from a visa perspective. You see, married spouses accompany their partners to Hong Kong when they come to work, secure dependent visas, which effectively provide carte blanche approvals to engage in any kind of activity which is lawful, for example to study, work or establish a business. However, if there's no legal marriage, the options are really very limited, and the following classes of visa can be considered as a means for trailing partners to accompany their loved ones to Hong Kong. You can consider, for example, getting a job offer and then applying for an employment visa in your own right. But there are no special privileges available to trailing partners in these circumstances, and the approvability test for such a work visa is very much an onerous one. You can consider the Quality Migrant Admission Scheme if your partner is a top-notch talent, and this represents human capital which would manifestly be attractive to Hong Kong in your own right. Alternatively, if you've got 10 million Hong Kong dollars to invest in certain financial assets which you're prepared to lock into Hong Kong for the life of your residency, this will provide the visa permissions you need to be with your partner, and after 7 years you can release these funds finally and secure an alternate long-stay immigration status, freeing up your invested capital for other uses. On the other hand, if you've got the means and experience to start your own business, you can consider the business investment visa. If you have the desire and the means to study at university, you can secure a student visa and upon graduation with a graduate or postgraduate degree can automatically join the Hong Kong workforce under the special privileges afforded under the immigration arrangements for non-local graduates. Alternatively, if you've been living together immediately prior to relocating to Hong Kong, you can make an application for a prolonged visitor visa on the basis that you are de facto spouses. However, you should consider such immigration permissions as kind of slippers and pipe only, as it will allow you both to remain together in Hong Kong but not provide the consent of the immigration department to work, join in the business or take up any course of study.